Hey guys, welcome back to Buckeye Backyard Barbecue. Today, we're making grilled salmon out on the Monument Grill. Stick around, it's gonna be fantastic. All right guys, I've got 3 pieces of Atlantic salmon here, center cut. I went ahead and made a little rub here, some just salt, pepper, and dill. We're gonna go ahead and season this liberally. Both sides. Now that we got it all seasoned, let's go out and start that Monument Grill. And guys, don't forget, we're still doing our Monument Grill's griddle giveaway. Just subscribe to my channel, subscribe to their channel, like this video, and comment down below, say, give me that griddle. We're gonna let this puppy get up to about 500 degrees. We're gonna go ahead and put the salmon down. We're gonna let it cook for, say, 3 minutes. Then we're gonna flip it, let it go for 5, maybe 7, until the temperature hits anywhere from 130 to 145. Now I realize some of you are out there saying, he's gonna overcook it. He said 130 to 145. It only has to be 125. Well, that's true. It only does have to be 125. But my family prefers it 130, 145, and we're eating this. So, you know, you do you, I'll do me. All right, guys, here we go. So when you're placing your salmon on the grill, you want to put the thick side closest to you. Makes it easier flipping. Show you what I mean in about 3 minutes. All right guys, so it's been 3 minutes, and this is the only tricky part of the whole thing. You gotta be able to flip it up, tearing it apart. And you wanna be a little aggressive here. Just go for it. That easy, guys. See you in about 5 to 7 minutes. All right, guys, so it's now been another 7 minutes, and we're gonna go ahead and take them off. Don't those look gorgeous? And now, guys, it's time for my favorite part, the taste. That is always so good. That dill always brings out such great flavor in salmon. Guys, give this a shot. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and make that comment to win that griddle.